Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to read another lesson from your book Iqra Phonic Reader 1. And before that we have read two lessons from this book, and we have come to know about the first sound of vowels of A and I. हमने ये दोनों साउंड भी पढ़ी, इनका आई प्यार से रीडिंग भी की. देन वी हैव डन वर्क ऑन द होमवर्क कॉपी एज वेल, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव हर्ड stories related to these two sounds, remember? And today we are going to start our next alphabet, which is vowel alphabet, and that alphabet is I. Yes, today we are going to read first sound of vowels में I की first sound. So let's start. Yes, and what is the first sound of I? It's A. Yes, today our letter is I and its first sound is A. First we are going to read A sound lesson from your Iqra Phonic Reader 1. So let's start reading. Okay, and one more thing, we have discussed about the vowel sounds and consonant sound. Remember, I have showed you this page and this card, and I've told you that all the word alphabets which are in color, they are vowel alphabet, and the sound which they produce are called vowel sounds. And why they are called vowel sound? Because when we produce a sound of vowel letters, so our mouth is open, so that's why they are called vowel sound. And rest of the alphabets are called consonant sounds, and they produce consonant sound. They are consonant letters and they produce consonant sounds, because when we produce sounds with them, so our mouth is closed, that's why they are called consonant. Let's start our reading from Iqra Phonic Reader 1. Yes, here is a book, and now we are going to open it at page number 5. Yes, this is page number 5, and we are going to start reading. Let's start. You also have to put your finger and you have to read. We will unglue and glue the words, and then we will read them. And you also have to read all these words by putting your finger, and you will unglue them and then we will glue them. Okay, students? You can pause the video and you can read also. Let's start. W-A-G, wig. As I've told you कि जब हम अपने दोनों लिप्स को राउंड करते हैं तो W की साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है, which is वो. A-G, wig. Next one, fin. Next one, pin. Next one, zip. Let's move to the next one. X, fix. First sound of X. First sound of S. X, six. B-A-G, big. L-A-D, lid. K-A-T, kit. Bin. So this is a reading from this page. Let's move to our picture sentence. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू स्टूडेंट, बेटा आप लोग पॉज करेंगे वीडियो और इन सारे वर्ड्स को आप लोग ग्लू करके भी पढ़ेंगे और अनग्लू करके भी पढ़ेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर पिक्चर सेंटेंस. So let's see what we have in the picture. Let's count the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, 6 kids. 6 kids fix a big ship. It's big and ship. 6 kids fix a big ship. So that's all. Now we are going to start our copy work, and we are going to write any 4 word from your from your IPR 1. So let's start our copy work. Okay student, this is our Ikra English notebook 4-line copy, and before starting our work we should need all our stationery item. And one more thing, whenever you will do your work, so you should have to sharp your pencil properly. Okay, you have to sharp your pencil before starting your work. So let's start our work. Let's open our copy. Okay, first we have here index page, and here we are going to write index. We are not going to change our date and page number because we are going to do a work on the same page. So we will write what we have to do. We will put comma here, and we have to write next sound, which is A. Clear? So let's move to our next page where we have to write our work. Okay, look at this one. We will not change date and page number because we are going to do our work on the same page. Here we have done sound with A, and we have done 4 words. Sound with E, we have written 4 words, and our next topic is sound with I, and you will double underline it, and after that we are going to start our work. Let's start. First we have to write number. Yes. And we write first word because we have to write any 4 words, so we'll write first word, which is pen. Formation should be according to the instructions which you have learnt in Ikra handwriting series. We'll write second number, and we'll write fin, as we have read from your IPR 1. Okay, let's write next one. We'll write 6. Formation of S should be good, and then we'll write X according to our Ikra handwriting series. Yes, last word, we'll write big. So that's all about our today's work, and as I've told you, you have to memorize and read this page carefully. You have to learn these words by heart. Okay, we will meet inshallah in next work lesson. Allah Hafiz.